It's been a while since I just turned on the camera and just talked for a little bit. Yeah, I'm back. I've been gone. I ain't recorded in cool minute. I've done a few things here and there, but I've been getting clarity on everything that I'm doing. I've restructured my whole business brand, everything. That came with revamping my content strategy and my content system, because the way I was doing it before and how I needed to be done in the future or going forward, completely different. And I think a lot of people might be dealing with this or trying to figure out what their content process is, because I think a lot of business owners, creators, entrepreneurs, they're starting to get to the point where they realize you damn near need a production company or production like strategy behind your content. It's no longer enough to just record where you can or try to post just to post, because that becomes draining on you. You're not getting the results you're looking for when you're doing that. You're approaching content without a strategy. You're approaching it as something you're trying to figure out on the fly, and that's hurting you in the long run. It's hindering your growth because you're putting out content and you're not seeing results that you would like or results that you think you should be getting. And it's usually because you're approaching it from a place of creating without strategy. That's what I was dealing with. I was creating content and I was keeping up, but I was never able to get ahead. It was always, oh, I need to post something today. I need to figure out what to create. Oh, I'm going to record this real quick. And then I end up having a bunch of videos saved on my phone that I never post, I never get recorded, or ideas that I never act on. It's a process that's very difficult to deal with and can be frustrating, because you know you need to put out content. You have all these ideas, but you haven't really figured out the process for getting it from idea to content where it doesn't take you 2 weeks, or you're not constantly playing catch up, or you're not constantly falling behind. Like, it's frustrating. It's very frustrating. I've been there. I've been sitting in my car trying to figure out what to post, trying to figure out what to come up with, feeling like, oh, I messed up because I didn't post anything today. And then that goes on for a day, 2 days, a week, a month. And you just fall into this kind of quicksand where it's just like you're trying to keep your head above ground, but it's not working, right? So I had to look at what I was doing as far as content. Includes my YouTube, my emails, LinkedIn, Facebook, and like figure out where I was spending the most energy and why wasn't it working like everybody else. Because that's what the bigger issue is. Like, I'm looking around and seeing other people putting out content consistently, putting out quality content, and it feels like I'm not moving. Like, why is everybody else putting this together and why haven't I figured it out? So I had to kind of deconstruct what I was doing, what I wanted my business to be in the future, what I want my brand to be, everything, so that I can have a content system and a content strategy that's in alignment with my goals for my business and my brand. That also included revamping my products, my offer, my services, everything like that, and figuring out how I wanted to deliver content, how I wanted to deliver value, and really how I want my platform to come across, so that I'm not trying to keep up with other people and just looking like kind of a second rate or third rate version of what everybody else is doing. So I've been making a lot of changes, been revisiting, organizing, and it's hard because I feel like I'm not putting out the content like I should be, and I feel like I'm letting people down and my business is gonna suffer. But what I've realized and what I've had to keep telling myself is that in order for me to take 10 steps in the right direction, I need to take 2, 3, 4 steps back, so that I can get myself to the point where I'm not working twice as hard. Or I like to call it hustling backwards. I feel like a lot of creators and entrepreneurs, they end up hustling backwards, trying to play keep up or chasing their tails on this hamster wheel of content and not really seeing any progress, not feeling like they're growing, their email list isn't growing, their followers isn't growing, they're not making enough sales, but they know they still need to put out the content because the content is how you get the business, right? And that's not necessarily true. Content is a part of the business model. Content should be a part of the business model, but it's only one part of the business model. And it's something that takes time. It's not something that gets you instant results or instant gratification. And I think that links to our procrastination that comes with not getting that instant gratification or not getting results from the content. If we feel like, I know I need to put out content, but why am I putting out the content if it's not doing anything, if it's not growing anything, if it's not helping at all, right? So that can be really frustrating. That can be demoralizing. That can be demotivating. So in taking a step back and really slowing down on the content I'm putting out, it's giving me time to solidify my foundation and get my system set up so that when I start creating the content, it's what the purpose and it's strategic and it's doing what it's supposed to do as far as nurturing new followers, getting people to understand who I am, the value I provide, the people I'm trying to help and letting the content kind of sell for me. That's what it does. Content is just a way of selling without selling and building a relationship with your audience organically and como se dice, over time. Because somebody might follow you today, but they may not be ready to buy from you today. They might see some information that you have or feel like you might be able to help them, but they may not be ready to buy from you today. And the content allows you to stay top of mind and stay in front of their face so that when they are ready to buy, when they are ready to make that purchase, when they reach the point of needing to move forward with whatever problem they're having or what issues they're dealing with, when they know they're ready to take that next step, you're going to be the first person they think of because your content has been there, boom, 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 in front of their face, letting them know, I understand your problems. I'm helping you solve your problems with my content or freebies or guides, whatever. So having a strong content system in place and a strong content strategy allows the content to do the work for you. That's what you want to be doing with the content. It should be doing the work for you. And that was something that I had to understand and realize. Posting just to post or just posting every day because I know I need to post or I need to put out content, it's doing more harm than good because I'm not doing it consistently. I'm not providing value consistently. I'm not putting out content that's helping to guide my target customer to the point where they're ready to buy from you. It's because you can't do that without knowing the purpose for your content and what you're putting it out for and the ultimate goal you have for them. And you can't get them to that ultimate goal or get them to that point of buying from you or purchasing from you if you don't have the foundation or the system set up so that they can go through that process and it can be a continuous thing that's working in the background. So that's what I've been spending a lot of time kind of figuring out what works for me and what process is going to help me to make sure I have that system in place, make sure that the content I'm putting out is doing its job and it's effective and it's strategic, but it's also the content that I want to create that I feel comfortable doing, and it's something I can continue to do day after day, week after week, and it's gonna produce that consistent content that I'm looking for. Hope that makes sense. So if you're somebody who's been struggling, trying to figure out what content you should be posting, trying to post day after day or posting just to post, a good place to start will be figuring out what goals you have for your business, what you want it to look like, how it's gonna produce income consistently. Figure out what that process looks like for you. Like for me, here's how kind of a breakdown of my funnel, right? I'm gonna be creating content for social media. That's going to be reels, carousels, talking head videos, things like this for social media and YouTube. That is going to lead people to a freebie or a low ticket offer, something $7, $5, something like that. And all my content is going to be leading to either a freebie or my low ticket product, or it's just going to be nurturing content that builds relationships, whether that's educational, social proof, testimonials, before and after, things like that. That's where the majority of my content is going to be. Once they download that freebie or they buy that low ticket offer, then they're going to be on my email list, and I'm going to use that to start offering my services, offering my products, letting people know about what services I provide, what problems I solve, solutions I've gotten for people in the past, things like that. And those are going to help build up that relationship even stronger. So that's all happening passively. Actively, I'm also going to be posting in my stories with links to book a call or links to download freebies, links to guides, things like that, so that I'm constantly staying top of mind, constantly staying in front of people. And that's really like the kind of the gist of it. It's not super complex, super complicated. A lot of times simpler is better. So now I have a clear understanding of what content I should be putting out, where I'm going to be sending them, what they should be doing after they get to that freebie or that low ticket offer, and then how they're going to end up booking the call or staying active in my community. And as it goes, it'll grow and develop, and there'll be more emails and different sequences and different things of that sort. But as like a basic format foundation, that's kind of the process I want them to go through. And knowing the goal is to get them to this email list where I'm sending them messages every week, or having a sequence that's sent out to kind of sell them on a product or sell them on an offer or something like that. I know that this is the content I need to make for here so that they can get to here. And then it's just like wash, rinse, and repeat, wash, rinse, and repeat. And that's kind of the business model that most digital entrepreneurs, social media, content creators, that's kind of the business model that most people are working with. Some people don't have email lists. They prefer broadcast channels, texting, or communities, group chats, things like that. And I want to get to that point at some point, but for right now, I just want to make sure my system, as far as getting the content out, getting them to this lead magnet or low ticket product, and then getting them on my email list. Once that's set up, and in place to where it's something that's produced that I'm able to produce constantly, consistently, day after day, week after week, then I start adding in the other pieces. But getting that system in place first is my number one priority. That's where my main focus is right now, where it has been. The goal is to launch or start kind of putting more content out as the new year comes and kind of roll heavy into it. But first, I'm finishing my freebie, my low ticket product, making sure that's all set up, making sure my email's in place so that the content I'm producing and putting out is showing results and I know exactly what it's meant to be doing, right? So yeah, that's what I'm working on. That's where I've been. That's why I haven't been here. I'm gonna start trying to do more videos like this where I'm kind of documenting my process, talking about what I'm doing and what's working for me, what's not working for me, things like that. If there's anything you want to see, put it in the comments. Let me know. If there's any questions you have, anything you want to talk about, let me know. I got you. Make a video about it. All right. That's all I got for this one. See you on the next one.